Imagine a weapon that looks like a futuristic rifle, but instead of bullets, it fires smart grenades that can explode mid-air and take out enemies hiding behind walls or even drones flying in the sky. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But this is now a reality. In this video, we'll explore the US Army's new advanced grenade launcher developed by Colt and Northrop Grumman, and why it might redefine the future of modern warfare. So, let's first understand the need for such a weapon. Traditional grenade launchers are powerful, yes, but they have limitations. They're bulky, often single-shot, and most importantly, they rely heavily on the shooter's aim and guesswork when hitting targets behind cover. In modern warfare, where enemies hide in urban environments and small drones can be used for attacks, old systems are just not efficient enough. That's why the US Army launched a new program called the Precision Grenadier System, or PGS. The goal? To build a smarter, lighter, and deadlier grenade launcher. And that's where Colt and Northrop Grumman stepped in. This new weapon, which was just seen being test-fired for the first time, is designed with cutting-edge technology. It's chambered for 25mm grenades, which are larger than the usual 40mm ones you may have heard of. But here's the twist. These are airburst grenades. That means they can explode in the air at a precise distance, making them perfect for hitting enemies behind walls or in trenches. Let's talk about the design. The launcher is semi-automatic and magazine-fed, not a single shot. It uses a 5-round box magazine, which makes reloading much faster and efficient. The barrel length is about 14 to 15 inches and it weighs under 15 pounds. That might sound heavy, but for a weapon of this capability, it's actually quite compact. But what really makes this launcher futuristic is the smart optics system attached to it. It's called the XM157 Fire Control System, developed by Vortex Optics. This isn't just a fancy scope. It's a computerized sight that helps soldiers aim better, calculate distance, and even set the grenade to explode at exactly the right moment in air. Think of it like having an AI assistant built into your weapon. This optic system is already being used in other advanced guns like the XM7 rifle and XM250 light machine gun. It's part of a broader modernization program within the US Army. So how is this actually useful in real-world combat? Let's take an example. Imagine a soldier is under attack, but the enemy is hiding behind a concrete wall. A normal rifle can't penetrate the wall, and even a grenade might fall short or go past. But with this system, the soldier can set the grenade to explode mid-air, just a few meters before the wall, sending shrapnel in all directions and neutralizing the threat. Or imagine enemy drones. Small, fast, and difficult to hit with rifles. These airburst grenades can be programmed to explode right next to them, taking them out with precision. This technology could be a game-changer in urban warfare, anti-terror operations, and even future large-scale conflicts. However, such advanced systems also raise important questions. Will soldiers need more training to use them effectively? Will the cost of smart munitions limit their widespread use? And of course, there's the ethical dimension. With AI-enabled sights and smarter killing systems, where do we draw the line between efficiency and responsibility? But from a purely technological and strategic perspective, this new grenade launcher shows how fast military innovation is evolving, combining automation, smart targeting, and compact design into one weapon. So, to summarize, the futuristic grenade launcher by Colt and Northrop Grumman isn't just another weapon. It's a glimpse into the future of warfare, where machines don't just shoot, they think before they shoot. Whether that's for better or worse, that's a debate for another day.